Stand up.
I was just walking up, and you hear this loud bang, and I guess a younger woman hit this elderly woman in the face with a phone. And the elderly woman's, a bunch of us were trying to contain her.
So
she went back down into Terminal C.
The individual hit two people?
Hit one person, spit in another woman's face.
Hit one, spit in the other. Okay. Assaulted.
And both of them were. She spit on her and then knocked her with a cell phone.
Okay, date what? You can show it.
1997. Of course, she was like in the way, but you can turn this up. That's where she hits her, and then she comes.
Control.
No, she punched her with her hand.
Race.
That way.
Charlie? Okay.
And then she looked like she was trying to find somewhere to hide because we were all like congregating. She could have gone past us and gone down D, but...
Okay.
She's got glasses on. And then you can see where she spits on this lady right here in the pink. And you can't tell right here. This is because she was kind of in the way, but this is where she hits her.
Well,
Yep.
and let me see if I can grab it. That's the beginning.
Here.
I mean, it's like your own mama getting hit, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
check the bathrooms.
The couple screenshots. Can you grab a couple of them?
Does someone have ability to let our flight know that we're like late now?
We'll get you there.
Okay.
We're not going to hold you here. In fact, you got a card?
What direction? Where? Okay. Did you just have somebody come through and knock all this off? Was it a woman?
Yes.
I just need to see a picture of what she looks like.
Jessica.
Can we go ahead and take her for disorderly? Alright, I'll take her for disorderly. Alright, ma'am, my name is Officer Link with the Airport Police. Need you to go ahead and stand up. Stand up, please. Stand up.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Resist. Okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back.
Now.
Do it
Give
now.
me your hands.
Do not resist. Okay? Thank you. Very good. Stop.
Stop
Do not
resisting.
resist. Okay?
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll over onto your stomach.
Do not resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer for disorderly conduct. Do you understand?
Now stand up.
You want me to bring my car over here?
Okay. Well,
You can hang out there. That's fine.
she wants to do that. That's her thing, okay? It's an additional charge. Resisting an officer. Okay. Okay. All right.
Instead of me being in the chair, let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that. I understand that, okay?
What are y'all waiting for?
Vehicles, since you don't want to walk.
I can sit the fuck up.
There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language.
pulling away?
Okay?
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit the fuck up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your feet on the
Pedo.
ground. Magically appear in the airport. Okay.
Let's go.
Hear
Walk
me.
into a car. Okay.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't have a wallet.
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have ID.
Okay. In the airport.
I magically appeared. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Stand up and walk. Okay. Get a chair. Get a chair. You don't need to do that. We're going to put you in a chair then.
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna show for me.
Okay.
Good. Last, we'll take that vehicle and take it away.
Where are we going? Quit.
Good. No. Charlie Concourse to be 320.
Man, stop, please. Stop it.
Y'all see this stuff?
It's making it worse. Stop resisting.
Stroke too.
Other side. She's good. She's not gonna have that.
Okay, push me out. Why am I going this way? Wow.
I can carry it.
She's spitting.
Oh, okay.
That's right, make your asses work.
You're making us do less work, actually.
Resisting officer, stop home frisk.
So what is disorderly conduct mean? What is disorderly conduct mean?
Try to have a conversation with you. And be polite and be civil.
You ever will, broke bitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Thank you.
Orange is going to search you before you go in the patrol car. Do you have any questions?
Charlie,
I can't walk, so y'all gonna figure it out. Yeah.
I don't want to drive her.
I don't want to touch her. Can I have a guy do it? I don't want her touching me.
anybody down hall before you do it, please?
Do not resist.
Just search on the ground.
I'll take my glass. Hold on, wait. Take my glass off.
Do not resist. Okay?
All right.
Okay, we're gonna help you walk to the car.
Thanks, guys.
Turn around. Down. But we don't want to see you damage your glasses by your actions.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good.
Yeah, thank you. Now can I have my glasses?
Sit back.
Yep, you get them. Promise you that. Feet on the floor. Do not.
Nah, I'm not supposed to shut this up. I need my glasses. Come on, put
Sit
them
up
on
straight. Sit up straight.
No, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go.
The date was July 24, 2025, and at 6 p.m., the evening rush at a major airport was shattered by a woman's violent rampage. Officers were dispatched to a terminal restaurant following reports of a suspect vandalizing multiple businesses and attacking bystanders. Witnesses described a horrific scene. The woman allegedly struck an elderly woman in the face with a phone, causing a laceration and bleeding before spitting on another traveler. After a tense search, officers located the suspect. While she was initially facing only disorderly conduct charges, the victims quickly changed their minds and decided to press charges for the brutal assault. The arrest was anything but smooth. The woman became violently uncooperative, resisting officers and hurling derogatory remarks. It took a physical struggle to secure her in a patrol car. She now faces a long list of serious charges, including elder abuse, assaulting a first responder, vandalism, and resisting arrest. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.